Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change Apple Music subscription plan. So to do this, it's very easy. You have to go to the App Store. After that, click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, click on subscriptions. After that, go to Apple Music. And after that, click on See All Plans. And here you will find the available plans for Apple Music that you can choose from. If you want individual, it will be $11 per month. Family is $17 per month. And for the family, you can share like account with family up to 5 members. And the yearly individual is $110 or $109, and students is $6 per month. So if you want to change to any one of them, you have just to select it, and after that, like, confirm that you want this subscription. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.